What's up, guys? Okay, so today I am going to show you what I did with my home, how I set it up, how I decorated for the holiday. I already did a video setting up my Christmas tree, and now I am going to show you how I set up my home for the holiday. So, guys, leave me your feedback. Ask me any question. Where did I get this? Where did I get that? How did I do this? How did I do that? And if you like it, leave me a comment and subscribe if you don't already subscribe. And what else? I forgot. Share. Okay, guys, so we're going to dive into it, and you leave me a feedback. Jamaican, they are foreign, and still not forget them thing. Try to, enjoy life and just be yourself, be your roots, and be supportive for one another and uplift for one another. So it's all about the blessings and give God thanks and praise for life, love, strength, and unity. One love, everybody. Let me know in the comment section below if you don't like that video here. I know it's long, but you will enjoy it because I do my thing. I do it organic and natural. So tell me if you enjoy the video. As me say it long, but me enjoy it myself, so me know other people out there will enjoy it. Not everybody maybe not enjoy it because it's long, but if you want to set up your place and want little ideas, that video here is definitely for you if you are out there. What do you think? Do you like it? Does it look cute? I think so. Yeah, so this is what the centerpiece looks like. So this I am going to decorate it with some silver on it. I did already spray this. It was gold and white. I put it in silver. But I'm going to move this because I buy a bling bling at Home Goods, and I'm going to use that. So this, I did bought these at Home Goods, but I think I need a little bling on here, just a little touch. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So guys, right here is my home station. I did bought these a little while ago at Home Goods. So I'm gonna move the tags because I don't need it to be on there, but it is so nice, cute, right? So I need a little bling. I'm gonna put a little bling around it. So I have this glue gun. Bought this too at Hobby Lobby, and I get it with a whole box of stick glue. So I am going to put the glue right here and let it warm. Well, I already have a little piece in here, so I think I need to use that up. So okay, good. Let's get hot. This, I bought this roll in the dollar store. These are the blings in the dollar store, pretty cheap. So what I do is I measure this bling. Measure this bling around here and just kind of bring it up a little bit, and then I'm going to cut it. Okay, so see, right around, just to give it a little look, guys. Okay. These are little stuff that you could do at home now that is the pandemic, and change up your style a little bit. Could use your same old stuff, but change it up. So next I am going to do the glue on here. I'm not gonna put it on all of them, but put some glue right here. Put one in the middle so they stick. Then you put one at the end. And there you go. So, now, okay, so I'm trying to hold it that you can see it. Okay, so I think I need a better workstation, guys. So I just put it around here and let it stick. Guys, what do you think? Doesn't it look much better? I'm not gonna do it too crowded. You know, just simple bling, right? Simple bling. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. So I measure it. Normally I just measure it from the other measurement, but so I measure it and then cut it. Okay, so you put the glue on here. You put the glue on here in the middle, and then you put the glue. Okay, so this glue is getting finished. Okay, so the good thing about this glue, right? It easily comes off. So if you don't want the bling on there anymore, it's not gonna spoil anything. Oh, this is lean. Shucks, gotta take it off. So you see, I took it off and nothing is wrong with it. So the glue easily, it stick, but it also easily removed. Okay, so I need a new glue. Okay, there it is, guys. So that was lean. So you're trying to get it straightened. There it is. What do you think about this? There you go. You see? Just a little different. Bling up your thing. So these two candles, I bought them at Hobby Lobby. And this is how it comes. You know, so you could just show this side and it's fine. But I also could put the bling up here. And let me see if it's gonna be too much bling. Let me know. You think it's too much bling? Or it could just stay like that. I don't think it's too much bling. I think it looks fabulous. What do you think? These candles are never gonna use. They're just for fashion. There you go. Bring it up a little bit. Oh gosh, this is a little short. Okay, I'm gonna just put one there. Even though this is a candle itself, it still hold. Okay, so I cut this a little short. So I'm gonna just dice one and put it there. Okay, there it is. So I need one single one. So I'm just gonna cut one single one. And then just put the glue on it. Hold this right here. In this spot, you see that there's a space. Just put it right in the middle. There. And lock it. So, see. So this is the other one. Gorgeous, right? Bling. Okay, so this bottle was orange, so I sprayed them in silver. I bought these bottles at Dollar Tree. So you know they're pretty cheap. Dollar Tree doesn't sell anything over $1. So, but they were orange because I love color. But now I'm doing silver, so I sprayed them in silver. So I think it need a little bling on it. So, is it too much silver? Yeah, I think so. Maybe I just let them stay. Okay, so up here, so where the plastic was, I think I need to put a little bling up here. Yeah, I'm just gonna measure it and do 2. Okay, so it's done. It's 2. Damn it. Okay, let's take this one right here too. Okay, so this needs to go up. And also right, oh shit, this right here need to go down. Okay, so that was lifting. See? No, it's not anymore. Okay, so this need to fix. there you go. Just a little more bling. Okay. Guys, there's so much easy way to fix up your place. I did cut this one for the holiday. So much ways. You're at home, the pandemic. If you're stressed, just find something to do to relax your mind, you know what I mean? This relaxing, it is very relaxing. Just try new things. Decorate your place. Okay. So there you go. Just a little bling. Just a little bling. How does that look? The centerpiece is this. So see the bling? It look a little different. I was going to change this to the piece that I bought at Home Goods, the silver piece that I just show you, which is where it is. I'm gonna see. But could you see the difference? Okay, so this photo album was at the bottom here. So what I'm going to do is, okay, so my workstation is very messy, guys. This piece here, I was going to put on the center table, but I think I am going to put it, oh gosh, please. Don't break. So I think I'm going to put it here. It needs to clean a little bit. So tell me what you think. Putting it right there. It looks beautiful. See my candles? Okay. And my bottle with my bling. My cousin made this. So tell me what you think. See this Chanel stuff? My cousin made it for me. She bought like a yas. Okay, so what do you think about putting that there? Or guys, the pandemic is driving me nuts. So all I do every day is fix up and clean. Okay, let's see. So I will put this here. Let's see how it looks right there. Not that hot, right? Not that hot. No, I think it looks better right here. But I'm going to clean it because it's dirty. I think putting it right here. Sell off. Yep. Sell off. Bling. Okay, so what did I do now? So these tray, I'm going to fix up this. I'm gonna put stuff in here. These candles, I'm gonna spray them and put them in here. And these stuff that I bought, I'm gonna spray these also in silver. to put them in the silver thingy, as you can see. Okay, this is my ref station, guys. So dirty. Guys, I'm going outside to spray all of these now. The candles, yes, the candles. These candles are fake, but you know, it looks a little real. So I'm gonna spray them in silver. Here's a spray I'm gonna use to spray them. I'm not gonna be able to bring the phone with me because it's cold outside, but I can't spray them inside because the spray is too strong and it smells up the place. So now I am back inside, guys, and I spray the candles. As you can see, they were in green. I put them in silver, and I spray these to put in my tray to make it look beautiful. You're gonna see the picture later, but I'm just showing you what I did. So I'm all about silver and white this Christmas. I mean, I'm gonna have a little red and green to kind of bring it up, but that's it really. Mostly silver and white. So here is this tray. I am going to just decorate it up a little bit. So to me, that was a little creative, and it don't cost a lot to do it. That flowers, I bought it at Dollar Tree. I think I get like all of that bunch for less than $1. So I just decorate. So now I'm gonna set up the bling. So I bought it at Home Goods. So they kind of tape it up. So I'm just removing the tape and just wipe it off a little bit. Bling bling. I love blings. Like some kids, right? I love blings. I love shiny things. So I'm cleaning this thing up. So this tray is a beautiful piece. I like it. But I'm still figuring out where I'm going to put it. But I'm trying to see what's going to look nice inside this tray. Isn't it cute? So I think I'm going to just use the candles. So I'm picturing to put it on the centerpiece in front of the sofa, at the bottom or the top, I don't know. So I'm just gonna try different area where I can put it to see how it would look. So the candles need a little bling, so I'm gonna bling them up. As you know, your girl love the bling. So, and the bling is cheap, it's like maybe $2 something in the dollar store. So once you have a glue gun and you want to change up your house, you could try different things. I buy the spray at Home Depot and Walmart, and I'll spray everything in my house in silver. Well, not my furniture, but like any little thing that the color could change and give me a different look, I'll just spray them. You know, these are not over expensive stuff. This candle still is really rich and nice, but I have it a long time, so it's get old. So I just want to change the color and give it a different look. So these things are not expensive to do if you want to change up your house. The pandemic is just a lot for people at home. So there's little things that actually can be creative in your mind and said, how do I keep my place clean and nice? And this help relax you from thinking about what is going on in the real world. So you're there doing your project at home. It just gives you joy because when you finish, it seems like you accomplished something, like you did something. So it's a good feeling to just sit home, to just take care of your house while you're home. You know, keep it clean. Your environment must be clean because what is going on out there is dirty. It's germsy. So you want to keep your house clean. So that's what I'm doing. Making my home as beautiful as ever. So tell me, guys, in the comment section below if you like these blings. What do you like about them? You like what I did? I'm gonna show you some piece in the next video that my cousin did. My cousin-in-law, she's amazing when it come on to these kind of stuff. And the thing is, she don't sell them, but I've been trying to encourage her to set up a website and sell these things because she's very talented when it come on to fixing up. So I'm bringing up my candles. You will see them in a little bit. So that is it, guys. This is the end of it. The candles, let me know how they look. If you like them, leave it in the comment section. These candles are old antique candles. I put it here, but it didn't look that good, so I am going to move it. I mean, it look okay, but I put it down here back and I see that it looks much better, and put back the old one on the top. So I'm not going to change. It's going to stay like that. So this is my living room side table or whatever it called. But yeah, this Chanel, my cousin-in-law made it for me. Amazing with that book. She made that. And as you can see, I changed up the table. I removed some stuff and put this beautiful basket right here to blend in with the flowers. So I get creative in my mind, and it's just, I think it looks beautiful. Really, I love it. And here's the centerpiece again with the decoration that I did. Tell me what you think, guys. As you see, my Christmas tree doesn't have a lot of red and gold on it this year. My sofa, I get those nice pillow at Costco and Home Goods, the cushions. So now I am going to bling up the fireplace a little. I don't really like this fireplace. I don't really like the brick thing on it, and I wanted to change it for a while now, but my husband like it. So yep. So I'm using the glue gun to just kind of bling up the fireplace a little bit. It's not gonna show that much, but it's a little bling. Anything with bling is fine for me. So I'm going straight across on the white part of the fireplace. So I will see straight across. I'm putting the glue on there, and this glue doesn't damage anything for me. It haven't damaged anything. If I want to remove them, I'll remove them, and it don't damage my stuff. So, and if I want to, next year, if I want to put my things in gold, I am going to spray everything in gold. So if I want to change it up next year, I just put them in gold. Give it a different look. But right now, it's silver and white for me for Christmas. So there you go, guys. That's the fireplace bling bling. The silver and white. Don't do a lot. You can't see it that much on the camera, but when you're looking at it from the sofa, it looks beautiful. Tell me what you think. So now it's time to set the dinner table. So I am going to set the table step by step. Get a good look at it. And I'm just gonna wipe it off. Okay, so this straight table cover, what I did was buy a piece of material and the lace, and my cousin-in-law sewed it for me. Just tell her how I wanted it, and she sewed it for me. I didn't want the whole table to cover. So these table mat, I bought them at Amazing Savings. They're pretty cheap, and I decided to buy silver because I love my home silver and white. I love that color. So now I'm setting the table, right? And I am going to put the mat down first. Then I'm going to put the tray, and then I'm going to put the larger plate, like the saucer, you know, dessert plate. I'm not gonna put any soup bowl, but guys, this your table look like it want anybody to sit down around there? When I really think say when I not grow up, anybody remember mama say she don't want nobody sit down on the table? Set up the table. You really think say don't want nobody sit down on the table? Eh? Alright. Who remember mama don't want nobody sit down on the table? Tell me in the comment section. When mama don't want to sit down at the table. Well, me don't want nobody sit down at the table. Everybody have to go sit down on the floor. Who remember when you set your table? Not even when you set your table, because not everybody did have table and chair when they grew up. But who remember if mama have one table and chair in the house? Right? She don't want nobody sit down at the table. She don't want nobody sit down on the table and chair. We don't have to sit down on the floor. Well, today at Thanksgiving, I'm going to put everybody on the floor. Watch and see. Me soon send a picture. Comment in the comment section below if no mama ever tell us say she don't want enough to sit down at the table. So, set the table. I really don't want to pull up it. Just want it to stay spotless. Mama no want nobody to sit down at the table.
Side door.